Hey Curlfriends, welcome back to another video. Today is a Mask Monday, so we're gonna get right into it. Today we are doing a black owned brand. I'm thinking about doing like a black owned series. Today for our black owned brand is definitely on the higher end. It's Briogeo. They're pretty they're not expensive. They're more of investment rather than like drugstore curly hair products. You can find them in like Sephora. That's the only place I've seen them. But I got my mask today from Amazon. I have the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Let's see the claims. Don't Despair Repair contains a unique blend of avocado, sweet almond, and argan oils and hair essential vitamin B5 and biotin to revitalize dry, damaged hair to look and feel visibly healthier and stronger, fortify hair against future damage, and enhance shine and moisture. So it's basically to repair damaged hair, and it says to enhance shine and moisture. So we're gonna see. If you watched my last video, go check it out. If you haven't watched my last video, go check it out. But I just recently dyed my hair blonde, so she honestly needs all the extra. She needs all the extra love and care that she can get. She still needs a little TLC. So we're gonna get right into it. Y'all know I gotta put on my wraparound. I ain't messing up my shirt, and I ain't got all these shirts to just be doing my hair in. So here we go. I did not shampoo or condition my hair before this. My hair only has like lately, because I just dyed my hair, I don't want to like maneuver it too much. I don't want to style it, and I'm not going anywhere. I've been literally just putting some leave-in in my hair and putting it in a bun just so it's out my face. I don't want to touch it, you know, out of sight, out of mind. Yeah, I didn't even like detangle my hair. Sorry, if I'm looking over here, I'm looking in the mirror. Today I'm actually, no, I was gonna use a tangle teaser. I'll go back with it to make sure it's evenly distributed, but because my hair is a little nappy, I just want a finger detangle. Warm up the product in my hand. Oh, I didn't do a smell test. This is one of the first masks I bought. A lot of people say they don't like the smell. To me, it smells like incense. It doesn't bother me at all, actually. I'm getting in my roots, but I really like to focus at my ends. Sorry, I don't know who's Snapchatting me, but it's probably gonna be another one if they're texting. But it's okay. What am I saying? Oh yeah, I just had my hair, obviously, so my ends is really my vocal point, is ready to focus all my attention at. So this mask retails for $36 pretty much everywhere you go. I got mine from Amazon because I live in Florida and we're in quarantine. I don't know where you live, but I ain't going nowhere, sweetie. But yeah, it feels pretty good going into my hair. This mask does have protein in it, for those of you that can be protein sensitive or whatever. I don't have that problem, so I guess I'll go with my tangle teaser, right? Or not? Just to make sure everything is evenly distributed. I didn't do it to this one. It's not fair. This brush already has hair in it, so pardon me. Y'all seen me apply masks 100,000 times. So literally, I'm just gonna do this to the rest of my head, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I finished applying the mask. I'm just getting my little edges. Don't forget them edges. I've been looking for an edge control, so if you guys want good edge control, let me know. I didn't just try one, I just bought one. So yeah. But as you can see, I definitely made a mess, but it's okay. I've used this mask before, but it's been a while since I've used it. It's probably been like a month or two, to be honest, because I have like a little bit left and I was like saving it, but here's the time to finish it. But yeah, I really like it. It felt really good going in, like really good. So I have high hopes. It actually has some slip, not that it claims to, but definitely a bonus, because I didn't detangle my hair and it went through my hair so easily. I got my hot head. I'm just gonna it isn't I was gonna brush back my hair so I don't have that part, but it's okay because I'm gonna have to wash it out anyways. And you know, I like to do my 4 buns just so I feel like the hair is, so that the heat is not having to focus on one area. It'll be easier to penetrate my hair. It's in 4 sections. It's just what I think. You can do it in a bun, especially if you have more hair. It'll be easier just to put it in a bun. And I'll eventually just do 1 bun. Like if I get lazy, girl, I'll just put in 2 buns or something. But boom, you see that? I do see a little frizz, but that's just my hair. I can't blame it on the mask. Now I'm gonna throw my hot head. I'm gonna leave this in for an hour. It's 10 minutes. Baby girl, 10 minutes. I don't do nothing for 10 minutes. So we're I'm gonna leave this in my hair for an hour. Alright, I'm back. I left it in my hair for a little over an hour, but just being lazy. I was like, dang girl, I'm hungry. So then you have to give me something to eat. And here I am. It felt really good coming out. Let's see. I actually feel like I got some curls coming in now. Prior to the mask, I feel like my hair did not look like that. You can really cut. They're kind of coming in. It's a little frizzy, but it's kind of just how my hair looks when it's wet. I love this mask. Like, I mean, I've used it before. I absolutely love the mask. So yeah. So let's see. This mask retails for $36. I got mine off Amazon. Let's read the claims one more time. It says to revitalize dry, damaged hair to look visibly healthier and stronger, fortify against future damage, and enhance shine and moisture. I don't know too much about the moisture part, but I do feel like my hair does look better overall. I mean, you can't tell these things with one use of a mask, of course, but I love this mask. It has definitely helped me repair my hair from damage. So y'all know I just bleached my hair, so I need all the repair I can get. It is a mask that you'd have to like invest in because it's a little more on the expensive side, but I definitely do believe that it's worth it. Every penny. I love this mask. Anything Briogeo I pretty much love. I've tried a couple products from them and I love them all. So this does get the AAA stamp from me. I absolutely love the Briogeo Don't Despair repair mask. If the camera angle changed, girl, it's because I've been sitting here trying to get this together. When do you guys stop picking? I don't think I ever stop. I don't think I ever stop. But overall, I really like the mask. Of course, I've already tried it before. This is like crooked. I've already tried it before, and I told you guys that. But I definitely do have some added shine, some added curl definition. It really came through. I need a trim. We're not gonna talk about that. But yeah, absolutely love my results. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you guys are staying safe in deep conditioning. I'll see you next time. Toodles.